Hello and welcome to Jumpstart German. Master German, one phrase at a time. Here is your daily dose of German, 10 words to master. In this series, we'll help you build your German vocabulary step by step with 10 essential words or phrases every single day. Perfect for beginners, each lesson will give you the word's meaning, pronunciation, and even example sentences to make learning super practical. German words will appear in yellow, English translations in white, and will also provide phonetic spellings to help you nail the pronunciation. Whether you're learning for travel, work, or just for fun, this series is your perfect daily companion to mastering German. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to grow your confidence in German day by day. Let's jump in and start your journey to fluency. In this video, we're going to learn 10 essential colors in German, plus some bonus words to describe objects and express your style. Colors are a fun and practical part of everyday conversation, so let's dive in and bring some color to your German vocabulary. Sit back, relax, and let's jumpstart your learning. Let's start with rot. That means red. Now let's say it together. Rot. Here's an example. Die Rose ist rot. Next is blau. That means blue. Now let's say it together. Blau. Here's an example. Der Himmel ist blau. Next is grün. That means green. Now let's say it together. Grün. Here's an example. Das Gras ist grün. Next is gelb. That means yellow. Now let's say it together. Gelb. Here's an example. Die Sonne ist gelb. Next is schwarz. That means black. Now let's say it together. Schwarz. Here's an example. Die Katze ist schwarz. Next is weiß. That means white. Now let's say it together. Weiß. Here's an example. Das Papier ist weiß. Next is grau. That means gray. Now let's say it together. Grau. Here's an example. Der Elefant ist grau. Next is braun. That means brown. Now let's say it together. Braun. Here's an example. Der Tisch ist braun. Next is rosa. That means pink. Now let's say it together. Rosa. Here's an example. Die Blume ist rosa. Next is lila. That means purple. Now let's say it together. Lila. Here's an example. Die Blume ist lila. Let's review the colors we have learned today. Can you say them after me? Rot, blau, grün, gelb, schwarz, weiß, grau, brown. Rosa, lila. Thank you for learning with Jumpstart German today. Great job practicing these 10 colors. Keep reviewing them to build your confidence and use them naturally in conversations. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you never miss a lesson. Let us know in the comments which color is your favorite. Bis zum nächsten Mal. See you next time.